Today we're talking about the Big Boy Solar Kit. This is an all-in-one complete solar kit that includes everything, including the breakers. This baby is a serious setup for people who are serious about backing up their entire homes. This comes with 32 450 watt solar panels. There is a huge discount going on with it right now, so I wanted to highlight this, let you guys know what's going on. I'm going to go through the entire kit with you in this video. And if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate very much. So for everybody else, let's take a closer look. So the hybrid solar kit here going on, you get two 7.6 kilowatt 48 volt solar inverters. Now the solar inverter is going to have your inverter, charger, everything all built into one. Your solar panel is going to be connecting to this, and you have two of them in line giving you over 15 kilowatts of power. This also includes 6 5.12 kilowatt lithium batteries. These are server rack batteries, an amazing, easy to use setup. These are 48 volt batteries. They're going to work well with most systems. So if you ever have to switch any of these out, or if you want to use different products in the future, these are going to be 100% compatible with pretty much anything. Also in the kit, you get 32 415 watt solar panels. This is a massive amount of power. 13,280 watts of solar. That is a huge potential for stored energy each and every single day. The 6 5.12 kilowatt batteries totals 30.72 kilowatt hours. That is a massive amount of battery storage right there. This system supports flexible configurations off-grid, hybrid, and grid tie, enabling you to power appliances with solar energy, feed excess power back to the grid. You can make a little money off that and optionally store energy to offset bills and provide backup during outages. So what exactly is included with this kit? You get two of the 48 volt split phase hybrid solar inverters. These are really great. These are low frequency. They're going to last a very long time for you. You also get 32 of the 415 watt monocrystalline solar panels. That is a massive amount of power. That's over 13,000 watts. 600 amp 51.2 volt LFP batteries. Now LFP batteries last a very long time. You can charge and recharge these batteries thousands and thousands of times, translating into well more than 10 years of use. And you get an enclosed battery cabinet that are going to fit these server rack batteries, and you get 4 sets of 50 feet solar extension cables. You also get 2 battery conductors, 32 sets of mounting Z brackets for the solar panels, 2 200 amp DC breakers, 4 25 amp PV breakers for the solar panels. If you don't get the solar panels with this, you can get everything else all by itself, and it pulls a couple different things off that you're not going to need if you don't have the solar panels. Taking a closer look at the split phase hybrid inverter, there's 2 of these in this setup. Each one outputs at 7,600 watts. Pure sine wave inverter is going to be safe for all your appliances and sensitive equipment. AC output of 120 or 240 volt split phase, which is going to help you power pretty much anything in your home. You have a max PV input of 600 volts. And you can get a PV input power of 12,000 watts on this, so your system is not nearly maxed out. With your solar panels, you could definitely buy more solar panels if you wanted to hook up to the system, because you have 2 of these, which maxes your solar capacity to 24,000 watts. Max charging current is 210 amps. That's pretty good. That's going to be charging things pretty quickly at 48 volts. Max input current per MPPT, 30 amps, 22 amps, 22 amps. So this is an interesting setup right here. It has 3 MPPTs built right in. 16 inches by 31 inches by 9 inches, and it's 88 pounds, and it comes with a 5-year warranty, and it is UL 1741 certified, so that's going to be great. You're going to be able to put this in your home. You're not going to run into problems with certifications and getting this approved. So let's take a look at the batteries going into this. You get 6 of these server rack batteries. They got 100 amp BMS with equalization function. You can max 32 pieces of these in parallel connection. That is a massive amount that you can line up. They are saying that you're going to get 7,000 cycles. These batteries really can last that long, and these are EV grade. So I'd have to agree, if you're taking care of this battery, it can last years and years for you. This is a 100 amp 51.2 volt battery. This is a little bit different than a 12 volt battery, so make sure you're using extra care when dealing with these types of 48 volt batteries. These batteries have a max continuous charge current of 100 amps output, discharge cutoff voltage 43.2. Has multiple communication protocols, which is going to be great if you're going to be hooking these into different communication systems. These babies weigh about 100 pounds almost. You do get a 10-year warranty on these, and these are UL certified as well. So let's take a closer look at the solar panels that are included. You get 415 watt solar panels with this. Open circuit voltage of about 38, and the current's about 14 amps. That's pretty common with bigger solar panels like this. They're about 44 inches by 67 inches. These are some pretty big solar panels. They're about 45 pounds each, and you get 25-year warranty on these. And these have some UL certifications as well. So the solar kit specifications, this baby is huge. 2 times 7.6 kilowatt hours output, 48 volt DC voltage you're going to be running here, so conductor sizes aren't going to be a huge issue that you might run into if you had a 12 volt system. 48 volts, you can run a lot more power through these conductors because of the higher voltage. Total watts of the panels is 13,280 watts, 450 watts per panel, 32 panels. Total kilowatts of battery included in this kit is 30 kilowatt hours. And you have LFP chemistry in these batteries, which is very safe, but it is high energy density, so make sure you're always being safe with these batteries. This solar kit is ideal for a home. This is a big boy setup. If you're getting real serious about power and you want everything that comes with it, including all the breakers and everything you need, even the server rack battery case. This is your kit right here. And right now there's a huge discount going on. So take advantage while it lasts. Use the links in the comments or the description. Get an amazing deal on this right now. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Feel free to drop any questions you have about this kit or anything else down in the comments. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon so that when I drop these new videos, updates, and news, you can be one of the first people to get here.